Good afternoon, students. Today topic is basic principles of design rights. So, let's start with fashion. The meaning of fashion is different styles and the new things to create any design. Fashion is instant language. The style is the way is a way to say you are without having to speak. Elegance is not standing out, but being remembered for your style. Fashion is what you are offered 4 or 5 times a year by designers and stylists to create designs and styles every now and then. Designers have to work on the public demand and new trends. While doing this, they have to utilize elements and have to follow basic principles. The principle is the principles are concept used to organize or arrange the structural elements or the design. Principles are the guidelines and the fundamental ideas that every designer is the working field of should follow. The fashion design, there are five important working fields should follow. They provide guidelines to combine properly the five elements of the design to create always different elegance in the design. So the first one is balance. Second, proportion. Third, emphasize. Fourth is rhythm. And the last one is harmony. So let's start with the balance. Balance is the concept of a visual equilibrium and relates to our physical sense of the balance. It is a opposing forcing in a composition that results in visual stability. Balance relates to the overall stability in the dress with the satisfactory arrangement and the parts of and details. Well balanced dress produce visual harmony. Visual harmony. The balanced design. The students. There are some principles of fashion. The first one is symmetrical balance. The second one is asymmetrical balance. So this yellow dress is symmetrical dress in which same type of sleeves are both sides attached with the dress. In the second dress, frill attached to only one side of dress, which means this dress is a symmetrical dress. The next is proportion. The proportion is the feeling of unity created when all parts, sizes, amounts, or numbers relate well with each other. When drawing the human figure, the proportion can refer to the size and the head compared to the rest on the of the body. The proportion in art of the comparative harmonies relationship between two or more elements in a composition with respect of the size, respect to the size, color, and quantity. proportion is usually not even noticed. uh, Something is out of proportion when uh, the relate size of two elements being compared seems wrong or out of balance. It is said to out of proportion. For example, if a person has a head larger than their entire body, then we would say that they were out of proportion. A good proportion is often determined by a rule called golden mean. So in this picture, the frills are equally attached with the whole dress and the same side and the same place. This is proportion. This picture create a proportion. So the next one is emphasize. Emphasize is like emphasizes the concentration of interest is the selected area of the design, like this red color. Usually designer will make one area should out of contrasting it with other areas. The area could be different in size or color and texture and the shape, etc. Emphasizing using value and light and dark. Emphasize using complementary colors, uh, atmospheric perspective. Example of emphasizes are emphasizes using uses colors. In this pic, you can see this pic out of black umbrellas is embellished out of in this pic out of black umbrellas. All are black umbrellas, but red umbrella is emphasizes and highlighted. The next one is rhythm. Rhythm is created when one or more elements of the designs are used repeatedly to create a feeling of the organized movement. Rhythm creates a mood like music or dancing to keep rhythm exciting and active. Varieties essential repetition can be a great tool or for a leading and the eye across the design, but without variation it can quickly become monotonous look. Consider how fast want people to export to your content. The more repetitions you use, uh, like see these pictures, light, uh, the basic colors, like tint, for example, tint, light, light, light. With the last one is very light color, and this tone is darker, like shade. For example, the shade. The next one is harmony. Harmony is also called a unity of this, a good balance between a unity and the variety must be established to avoid lifeless design. Unity is the feeling of harmony between all the part of the work of art, which creates a sense of completeness. With unity is a difficult principle to define. Unity ensures the goal for the overall look. See these pictures. Uh, box pleated box pleats are attached all round the waist of the dress which is giving a harmonious look. So this is the end of the topic. See you tomorrow for the next session.